Before gadgets became part of our daily lives, simple Filipino games brought so much joy. Today, we're bringing one of those games back. Hi! Welcome to my vlog. Today is going to be fun because we're bringing back the popular most Filipino childhood game, Tumbang Preso!
Kaya maghahanap na po kami ng lata na gagamitin para sa tumbang preso.
Yeah. I'm so excited to play it with the kids and create happy memories together. Let's go!
Ayan. Namin. Tapos ikaw, pagdating ko siya, kukunin natin natin mo. Tapos kakakunin mo yung kukuha ng sinelas.
Yes. And that's the end of our vlog. I hope you enjoyed watching us play Tumbang Preso and had fun with us. I also hope this video reminds everyone that traditional Filipino games can still bring happiness, laughter, and quality time with family and friends, even in today's digital world. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Goodbye, everyone!